Did you know that lifting weights can actually help lower your blood sugar? It might sound surprising, but strength training is one of the most powerful tools you can add to your diabetes management toolkit. Whether you're working out at a gym with rows of shiny equipment or simply using a pair of dumbbells at home, the benefits are real and accessible to everyone. Lifting weights isn't just about building big muscles or looking fit, it's about making your body work better for you, especially if you're living with diabetes. When you challenge your muscles, you're not just getting stronger, you're helping your body process sugar more efficiently, which can have a direct impact on your blood glucose levels. That's right, muscle beats medicine. While medication and insulin are important tools for managing diabetes, building muscle can actually help your body use insulin more effectively. Think of your muscles as little engines that burn up sugar for fuel. The more muscle you have, the more sugar your body can use up, which means your blood sugar levels can stay more stable. And the best part? You don't have to be a bodybuilder or spend hours in the gym to see these benefits. Even small increases in muscle mass can make a big difference in how your body handles sugar. So every time you flex those muscles, remember, you're not just getting stronger, you're also giving your body a natural boost in managing your diabetes. Let's break it down. Strength training isn't just for bodybuilders or athletes, it's for everyone, no matter your age, background, or fitness level. You might see people of all ages and walks of life lifting weights at the gym, and that's because the benefits are universal. For older adults, strength training helps maintain muscle mass and bone density, which can prevent falls and injuries. For younger people, it sets the foundation for a lifetime of healthy habits. And for people with diabetes, it's a secret weapon that can help you take control of your health in ways you might not have imagined. Whether you're lifting a barbell using resistance bands or just doing bodyweight exercises, you're making a positive change for your body and your future. For diabetics, it's a secret weapon. Why? Because when you build muscle, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin. That means your cells are better at absorbing sugar from your bloodstream, which can help lower your blood sugar levels naturally. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to reduce your reliance on medication or insulin injections. Plus, strength training can help you manage your weight, improve your mood, and boost your energy levels, all of which are important for living well with diabetes. Imagine feeling stronger, more confident, and more in control of your health, just by adding a few strength training sessions to your weekly routine. When you build muscle, your body uses sugar better, which means you may need less insulin. This doesn't mean you should stop taking your medication without talking to your doctor, but it does mean that you have the power to make a real difference in your health. Every time you lift a weight, do a squat, or complete a set of push-ups, you're teaching your body to handle sugar more efficiently. Over time, this can lead to lower blood sugar readings, fewer spikes and crashes, and a reduced risk of diabetes-related complications. It's like giving your body a tune-up, making it run smoother and more efficiently with every workout. Start simple. Bodyweight moves like squats, lunges, and push-ups are perfect. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to get started. In fact, some of the best strength training exercises use nothing but your own body weight. Squats help strengthen your legs and core, lunges improve your balance and stability, and push-ups work your chest, shoulders, and arms. These exercises can be done anywhere, at home, in a park, or even in your office during a break. The key is to start with what feels comfortable and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when you're just starting out. Aim for 2 or 3 short sessions a week. You don't have to spend hours working out to see results. In fact, just 20 to 30 minutes of strength training 2 or 3 times a week can make a big difference in your blood sugar control and overall health. If you're new to exercise, start with 1 session a week and gradually add more as you feel comfortable. You can even invite a friend or family member to join you for extra motivation and accountability. Remember, the goal is to make strength training a regular part of your routine, not a one-time event. By scheduling your workouts in advance, you're more likely to stick with them and see the benefits over time. Always keep water and a quick snack nearby in case your blood sugar drops. Exercise can sometimes cause your blood sugar to go lower than usual, especially if you're taking insulin or other diabetes medications. That's why it's important to be prepared. Keep a water bottle handy to stay hydrated, and pack a healthy snack like a banana, granola bar, or a small handful of nuts in your gym bag. If you start to feel shaky, dizzy, or unusually tired during your workout, take a break and check your blood sugar. Having a snack on hand can help you quickly raise your blood sugar if it drops too low, so you can get back to your workout safely. Track your blood sugar before and after you lift. Everybody reacts differently. Monitoring your blood sugar is key to understanding how your body responds to exercise. Some people may notice a drop in blood sugar during or after a workout, while others might see a slight increase. By checking your levels before and after you exercise, you can learn how your body reacts and make adjustments as needed. Keep a log of your readings, along with notes about what exercises you did and how you felt. Over time, you'll start to see patterns that can help you fine-tune your workouts for the best results. And don't forget to share this information with your healthcare team. They can help you make any necessary changes to your diabetes management plan. And remember, form matters more than heavy weights. It's tempting to try to lift as much weight as possible, especially when you're feeling motivated. But using proper form is much more important than lifting heavy. Good form helps you target the right muscles, prevent injuries, and get the most out of every exercise. If you're not sure how to do an exercise correctly, consider working with a personal trainer or watching instructional videos online. Start with lighter weights or just your body weight until you feel confident in your technique. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight and intensity of your workouts. Go slow, keep your movements controlled, and celebrate every rep. Rushing through your exercises can lead to poor form and increase your risk of injury. Instead, focus on slow, controlled movements that engage your muscles and help you build strength safely. Take the time to feel each rep, and don't be afraid to rest between sets if you need to. Every time you complete a workout, take a moment to celebrate your progress. Whether it's lifting a little more weight, doing an extra rep, or just showing up and giving it your best effort, every step forward is a victory. Remember, building strength is a journey, not a race. So, ready to lift your way to better health? Strength training is one of the most effective ways to improve your blood sugar control, boost your energy, and feel more confident in your body. It's never too late to start, and every workout brings you one step closer to your goals. Whether you're lifting dumbbells, doing push-ups, or just moving your body in new ways, you're making a positive investment in your health and your future. So grab those weights, put on your favorite workout gear, and get ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more empowered than ever before. Hit that like button if you're starting today, and don't forget to share your journey with others. Your story could inspire someone else to take the first step toward better health. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of people cheering you on and ready to support you every step of the way. So let's lift, grow, and thrive together, one rep at a time.